The following drill is for box jumps. All too often we see people that are loading their knees and low backs excessively instead of loading their hips the way they're supposed to for a jump. The takeoff for a jump should be a hinge, and only the landing should be a squat. This feedback mechanism with this band is going to teach us where our knees should be in space while we take off from the box, so we can do years and years and years of happy and jumping and landing. You're going to set up a band that goes behind your knees. Grabbing 2 dumbbells, put some tension on this band. And the goal is, just like you would swing a kettlebell, just like you would swing your arms to take off for a jump, you're going to do the same thing with these 2 kettlebells. Here's the catch. You have to push back against the band with your knees the whole time. Don't let the band pull you forward. And it's right here that most people are taking off and letting their knees hitch forward. And if you do a good job of hinging and making sure knees are pushing back against the band, you'll start to understand where your knees should stay throughout your takeoff. Many years of happy jumping and landing.